Here we come to the high-rise elevators at the Marriott Marquis Hotel in downtown Houston, Texas. That elevator car right there is broken. These are, I think, Otis Skyrise, I believe it is. That's right, here we go. That one over there. These are similar to the low-rise elevators. 29. Doing a much better take on this one as well. These elevators are incredibly busy, so I don't want to be hanging out here too much after I get a good video of this. Anyways, this is just an updated take. Like I said earlier ago, my last video did not look so good, so I'm doing a replacement one this time, just to make a much better quality.
29th floor.
I'll let you get a view out here. See, look at this. As you look down there, you see the big Texas River right there. Look at that. I love that view. I absolutely love that big Texas lazy river. This is definitely gorgeous. And you can barely see a view to downtown Houston. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back down now. It's like that elevator car is sitting there waiting for me. All right, let's go in the lobby. Listen to that motor. That motor sounds kind of questionable.
20th floor.
Glad I got my cab view.
Going down.
Your floor, sir?
Thank you. Thanks.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Going down. Lobby.
Have a great day.
Going up.
Or we're gonna end it on 2, because that's how I get to the Sky Bridge.
Going
Your
up.
floor, sir?
Top floor.
Second floor.
Or we're gonna get off here and head to the Sky Bridge. All right, there it goes. And that's it.